In the cradle of mountains high and grand, where rivers weave through the forest's hand, I wander paths where wildflowers bloom and breathe in deeply nature's perfume. Whispers of leaves in the gentle breeze echo the secrets of ancient trees. A symphony of the earth's own song guides my heart as I travel along. Sunlight dances on the sparkling streams where trout leap in the morning's beams. The scent of pine, crisp and pure, offers a sound simple and sure. Meadow stretches like golden seas, buzzing with life, the hum of bees. Butterflies once on petals so bright, a kaleidoscope in the soft daylight. Under the canopy where shadows play, I find a peace that bids me stay away from the rush, the endless race, here in nature's warm embrace. Mountains whisper, valleys calm, in nature's arms I find my all. A journey far, yet near to soul, in nature's lap I find my goal.